Hey, ever dreamt of blowing up on YouTube, but the thought of showing your face makes you run for the hills? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today I'm letting you in on the secrets of faceless fame, how you can crush it on YouTube without ever stepping in front of the camera. First up, narration is your best friend. Channels like animations, true crime, or even story times thrive just by using voiceovers and clever editing. Invest in a decent mic, and you're halfway there. Next, visuals. You don't need to film yourself, use animation tools, stock footage, or even gameplay. Some of the biggest channels never reveal a face. They build stories with visuals that keep us hooked. Let's talk AI. Today, tools like text-to-speech, auto-captioning, and even video generators make content creation easy. Experiment. Try different video types. Listicles, tutorials, or explainer videos. See what sticks. Don't forget your branding. Pick a catchy channel name and a logo that stands out. Consistency is key. Upload regularly and interact with your audience in the comments. Building a community is just as powerful as showing your face. And here's a little secret mystery is magnetic. People love trying to guess who's behind the channel. Use that to your advantage. Drop hints, play along, and keep them guessing. So, if you're camera shy or just want your privacy, remember, faceless YouTube channels can go viral too. All it takes is creativity, strategy, and a willingness to experiment. Ready to get started? The next faceless sensation could be you. Hit that subscribe and let's chase faceless fame together. Before you go, make sure you watch the entire video, visit my profile, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot. See you in the next one.